trench through there, a big hole through our yard. I want to go back out there and look at it.
So we're moving the water line and sewer line for our pool dig, and we've already had our first hiccup. We when we were digging the trench when we were moving the sewer line, we also discovered that there was a water line there. So now sewer line's complete, but we are having to move the water line also, which means more money. So that's our first hiccup. All should be good though. By next summer, we'll be swimming in this area, hopefully. Say hi, Jack.
Hello.
Fingers crossed that's our last hiccup. And at least we got it now.
Last and only hiccup.
Hope so.